Okay, so here's an example of using Eventide Temperance Pro as a MIDI instrument, where we will excite the reverb tempered fully with noise, like broadband noise, untuned signal to get tuned reverb, tuned response, and use it as a sort of a textural instrument. So here I have a MIDI from PreSonus Studio 1.7, which I've set only to output noise. It's a simple subtractive synth. I've turned the filter a bit down to kill some of the heights, and sort of like a non-clicky attack, but quick, and a few hundred milliseconds of release. So this goes into this bus with Temperance Pro, but for now it's bypassed. We can turn it on, but we can turn the mix all the way down. Now, as I will play this track, Noise Synth Sustained, which consists only of one MIDI note which will trigger the noise, I will control Temperance Pro with a MIDI track, which output is set to the instance of Temperance Pro. This instance is on this bus. It's the second instance, that's why it says 2. And now I will go into this bus, into this Temperance Pro, and I will have this large church model, and I'll just play it. Let me just launch this this track. And now with Temperance Pro, let's change the noise width, note width, sorry. Can make it narrower. So we're now playing the space itself. Let's change the reverb. Now a little rhythmic example. Here are some simple noise shots, short envelope with a quick attack. This is going into the same temperance bus, which is now bypassed. With Temperance Pro. And similar with drums, let's play the swimming pool. That's very fun. With more noise width, it just becomes less resonant, but it's still very tonal. So that's how you can use Eventide Temperance Pro as a MIDI synth.